I am Kaushi Brahmi, a student of BSc Nursing, second year, 4th semester of Neotia Academy of Nursing Training Institute. Our institution has various facilities. Renowned professionals are invited as guest lecturers in order to enrich us with knowledge in various subjects. Well-equipped computer labs and libraries are there in order to help us in learning. Various labs are there for providing facilities for undergoing various practicals essential for a nurse. The various hospitals are enlisted in our schedule in order to make us habituated with the working place of a nurse. The faculty members, teachers and professors are there standing us by us in order to helping us in learning and encouraging us in order to encouraging us to become successful and helping us to success. Again, the parents who play a vital role in the children's education journey can access opportunities by getting information in various programs or events and about the merit of the student. So in conclusion, I would like to tell that every student and parent are welcome and empowered in our institution. Thank you.